Guys, we back. We back. Jimdel-Edu. We back for part 29. Part 29. On part 28, this is where we left. We're almost done. Okay, almost done with fixing everything, adding us some CSS code, but we're not done yet. Okay, this is a part 29 in our project. This is the name of our project. It is a chat app system. We use PHP, JavaScript, Ajax. We use HTML, CSS. Okay. All right. Let's go back here. Now, guys, I want you to drop. I want you to drop a comment in the box below. Let me know what do you think about this project, guys. I'm waiting for your comment. And then any error message, guys. If you're really interested, let me know. And yes, and I will help you out. Okay, now let's continue with our project, and we'll fix the chat message box. Also the choose file here. Yeah, this is the button here. Okay, inside of here, this is the paper clip to send the. As you can see, I put the cursor, and you can read it. It says send messages. All right, let me make this a little bit bigger. All right, so we will fix this. Let me go here. All right, now open your code editor. Let's continue. Let's continue adding some CSS inside of admin.css. Okay, but before continuing, guys, let me show you something quick. Let me go back here. Let's see if we can send a new request. Okay, let's try sending a new request. Okay, let me open this. This is a new browser. Okay, let me go here. Here on Google, we have the backend admin panel here. This is the user. Okay, I'm going to add a different name. Let me put okay, this is John code. Okay, this is the email address. This is not real. This is the fake one. Okay, click on submit. All right, now this is how when the user is submitting the request. It's waiting. Any moment now. Okay. All right. Now we are trying to connect you with an operator admin. I think we got one more to go. Okay. Now we are trying to okay, let's see. Now let's go open here. Let's request our browser or refresh it. All right. As you can see here, once let me make this oops, 100. Yes, it's fine now. Now this is a new request. Okay, this is John. This is the email address. This is the name. This is the guest. Now it's John is waiting. No message sent. And then 4 seconds ago, yes, this is the date and the time. All right, now this is the request, and click on the request. I click on it. This is John. And now here. Okay. Now we got two options. We can accept the request or decline or delete the request. All right. So let me. Now you can see the color here. This is blue. Once you're waiting, you get the color blue. Each user has their own specific color, and this one, let me accept it. Okay. Now I accept the request. Once you accept the request, it will send you straight to messages.php. This is the page that we're working on right now. That's why now instead of we have Ben Thomas, now we have John Code. This is last thing, And then now let's continue adding some CSS code. And if you click on Bendamas, we got this same one, but changing info and so on. Okay. All right. Now let's fix in this. All right. Let's go back to. If you go back here, okay, right away. If you go back on the user side, you will see this is the admin. This is the icon picture of the admin. If you go back here, now we have the admin. This is the admin. And the user side, this is the admin, and then this is the date. Now I say now we are chatting with the admin, and this is the message and so on. Now let's fixing this. Go back and open your code tutorial. Continue, guys. Okay, this is where we left, and I'm going to put this. This is the okay. This is the continue, and that continue, guys. Adding more CSS code. Okay, when we are working with a user online, messages. Also, we need a chat messages. We have it here, and oops. Also, next we need the chat messages. Also, we need a chat message. Okay. Conversations, messages, chat messages, okay, and chat message, request, messages, chat messages, and now we got a chat message. Okay. A bit bigger for you. I think it's okay now. Now I'm going to say align. This is align self. We want it to be flex int, and I'm going to give it a background color. Remember we're working with this part right here, this box. Okay. All right. So this is the color. And pass a color. We need the padding. The padding for on this side, guys. Okay, because we have. I will move this box, message box. We will expand it here and fix everything. Let's go back. 8 pixel or 12. I'm going to give it a border radius, give it a shape, not too big, not too small. And now using, there's a difference between max. We're going to use max width because we don't want, when you responsive, you close the browser, okay, and we don't want any bar at the bottom. Okay, that's why I use instead of using a minimum width, we use a max width of 90%, and any overflow for the yeah, I'm going to use overflow instead, and it should be break words. Also, let me use word break to be. I'm going to break all, and I'm going to use another word break as well, and I want it to be break word. Not all. It should be break word. Yes. Oh, and then I'm going to give it a margin button of 10 pixel, and also I cannot forget the font size. All right. Now let's what we can do. We can save everything and then refresh our browser to see what we got so far. Refresh. Okay. Now we can see there's a shift there's a more space. We have more space between the icon here and the name, and so on. Now let's continue. And if we go back here on the user side, we refresh this page as well. Let's see. Now you can see we have this is now we will fix this. Okay, that's why I try to make sure we got it right. Okay, that we're not done yet inside, that's why we still got something outside from the outside. And okay, next guys, what I'm going to do to make it quicker and as short as possible, I'm going to copy this block of code. All right, copy and paste it here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put at the end of chat message, I'm going to put something like put that alt. Okay, put that alt like this, alt. Okay, and I'm going to say align self, we want it flex dot, background color, here's the color, and is pass a color of 1 2 3 3 zeros. Okay, all right. The next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing again. Copy the same one here. Okay, let's go down and paste it right here. And at the end of chat message, guys, at the end of chat message, I want you to put I think put come on, I want you to put the info, all right, like this. Okay, the same for this one, put info. All right, now I want everything to display block. We need a font size of 12 pixel, and we need a font width of 500. All right, now we got these two block of code, guys. Let's save everything and then keep an eye and refresh the browser to see what we got. Refresh it. Okay, yeah, okay. Now let's continue adding a few line of code. Now doing the same thing again, copy and paste. Make sure we keep it as short as possible. I'm going to scroll down and scroll up, sorry, and then copy this, scroll down now, and paste this block of code. Now what we are going to let me show you what we're working on right now. I'm going to work with the attachment, these two here, choose file. This is for the attachment. Okay, these two. This you will not see this. Okay, you will cover. Let's work with the attachment now. And now what we're going to do, chat message, and because the admin should be able to will send the attachment to the user. The user on the other hand will send the attachment to the admin as well. So let's put attachment and do the same thing here and do the same thing at the bottom. Okay, and now let's add here. I wanted to not align items. I prefer align self to be flex end, and any text decoration we will have, we have to avoid them and pass our color. This is the color for that. Okay, 75, and then when I say 81, keep it this way. And why not font size and background color let's say I use a padding 5 pixel. You said top and right 8 pixel. Now I'm going to from here I'm going to use this is the margin button for here. Okay. Oops. I use margin button of 10 pixels and give it a border radius of 50 pixels, and I want my cursor to be pointed. Okay. I want my cursor to be pointed to the icon. Okay. Let's save everything. Now we can try and refresh save and go back, refresh. Okay, now it's going down a little bit. Let's add a few more lines of code. Now we want the attachment. We want let me show you something. The attachment to be here. Okay, here I want to put to cover, because we cannot get two. All right, we have to make sure we align them. All right, so let's add a few lines of code. That what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy. Okay guys, copy this block here and paste it here. And now next, after attachment, at the end of attachment, we need this, and put before. Okay, before, and put here as well before. Okay. All right, now let's add a few lines of code. I'm going to say font it should be use a variable. This is the type of font that I'm going to use. If I have a font solid. Okay, this is how I passed it. Oops, go back. Right. And content, I have to 0 and then C6. Okay. Give for the margin right 5 pixel. Get a font size of 14. Okay. Let's add the block of code, guys. Do the same thing. I'm going to copy this block of code and paste everything, and now I want you to remove before, and then one of the, let's see, colon here, and then I want you to put over here. Okay, and do it this way. Request message, chat messages, chat message attachments over. Okay, and give it a background color. Okay, is the color. Now next, I'm going to do the same thing again. Copy this time. I can scroll up here. Copy this block of code and scroll down. Paste them right here. Okay. Now for attachment, I'm going to put at the end of attachment, put that alt. Okay. Using align self, and I want it to be flexed out. Okay. Now we can save everything, go back, refresh our browser to see what we got so far. Go here, refresh it. Okay, nothing. Let me clear my browser. 7 days. Okay, that's fine now. Okay, now good. I know refresh, yeah, that will bring me here. Okay, let me log in back. All right, now go to messages, click on anyone. Okay, now where we at, we said where am I? Flex ally self. Okay, ally self and flex ally self, and got a flex start. Okay. Next, guys, we got I'm going to copy, do the same thing. Copy this block of code right here. Let me put it this way. Okay, and then paste. Remove everything from the inside, and then now I want you to put remove alt. Dot alt, remove them. Now after at the end of attachment, I want you to put link here, links with S. Okay, and here as well. We need give it a height of 0 height. Any overflow, I'm going to hide everything. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to now start from here. Messages and chat messages, and put it this way, that full. Okay, and we have a conversation at messages, chat messages, and we have that full. Okay, all right. Now we need the height of, give it a full height of 100% here. Okay. Next block of code, guys. I'm going to do pretty much. No, let me start from here. Users online at messages. Okay. We do say this is this time chat attachment, and we need a conversation. Messages and chat attachment here, and then you can go the next line and request messages, and now we have yeah, chat attachment. Okay, I want everything to display flexed. I'm going to give it a border top. This is the remember, guys, we work in here, okay, with this part here. This is the user online plus the message area, and then the attachment. Okay, so border top solid is the color here. Alright, so what we can do so far, we can go ahead, save everything, and yeah, go to file, save, or go back to our browser, refresh it. Okay, now go back. Alright, we send this now as you can see, now so far we got this separation between this and right here we got the line. Okay, let's continue. Next we need, I'm going to let's start with users online, that's messages. Now to say chat attachment. and then work with chat attachment and work with div. Users online at messages. This chat attachment, yes. A, okay. Now we have conversations. And we have chat attachments. And then now we have request messages that chat attachment div. Let's start with request messages chat. We have a div request some messages chat attachment. You have a okay. Let me move this. Okay. And now guys, I'm going to use appearance. No appearance, none. I want the positioning as a relative and display flex. I need for the text decoration in case we have to remove it. And I like items. I'm going to center them, put them in the center. Pretty much everything here I'm going to center them. And here I'm going to say justify content center as well, and pass a color. And background color, or let's say, okay, give it a border radius 50 pixels. Font size, give it a margin. This is a, I'm going to say top right, yes, top right, bottom left, keep it 0, 0, okay. Give it a padding as well, okay. I'm going to go to and 6 pixels, and then my cursor, because when you're sending the message to the user, I want my cursor to, use a cursor pointer, and no border. Okay, keep it really thin. Alright, guys. Now we can do it again. Save everything. Let's go back, refresh. Okay, and click on anyone here. Okay. All right. Let's add a few more line of code. At this time, let's add. Okay, what I want to do, I want to copy. Let me show you something. Let's copy this here to save some time, and then paste it here. All right, and then put over. And then I'm going to do this again. Remove div, put a. All right. So we need conversation messages, and then chat. Copy. Let's see. We need for div here, and let's paste everything here. Second conversation for a. Copy. put yeah, and then we need the request chat attachment div. Copy this, paste here, and then we need the last part of the request message chat messages a. Copy this and paste everything here. Now what I'm going to do, and let's put here over, okay, all right, and then okay, now we got a request with a comma, and then leave the last one. Alright, I'm going to do it this way. Let's see if you can take it. Oops, no. Yeah, it takes it. Okay. Alright, request messages, chat attachment A. Okay, now I'm going to give it a color of and background color. Okay, now next block of code, I'm going to do the same like we use. I remember I used before, and then put it over. That's what I'm doing here as well. But at the same time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this part, this 4, okay, and paste here. Let's see if probably we might make. No, this is fine. Chat attachment fine. Div. I want you to. Oops. I want you to remove. Hover. Let add some. Okay. Let's add before, and put a second colon here. Colon. Now let's make some changes. Remember the first line, div before, which is fine. Second one, remove this, and second one, conversation message chat attachment div before, which is good. Third one, remove the second one here, and then you're working with div request message chat attachment div before. Now and then remove the comma. Okay, font. Okay, and do the same thing. Solid. Okay. I'm going to say content F06. I'm going to use a margin right, 5 pixels. Now let me verify. 1 second, guys. Let me verify at the top to see if we got the same thing. Let's see, font F. Solid. Okay, got the same thing, which is fine now. All right, next next block of code, guys. Let's okay, let me this is our next block of code. Use user online messaging, chat attachment, and then now let's use with the first child. Okay. Oh, make it much more easier. Copy. Let me copy this the entire block of code here, and I'm going to make some changes. Paste. remove before and one colon. Okay, and then at the end remove everything here. Now I'm going to put first child, okay, and first child. Give it a margin left. Uh, 20 pixel. And then user online messages. Now this is for the, now let's work inside, from the inside. This is for the input chat input message. Chat input message, conversation messages, chat input message. Okay, and then we need requests messages, chat input message. Okay, I want it to display flexed and give it a full width 100%, and I need a height of a full height, and the padding of 10 pixels. Okay, now we can save everything and then save everything and refresh the browser to see what we've got so far, guys. All right, let's do it. Save everything. Go here. Refresh. Click. Okay. Now we got some progress. We move everything to the right side. This is where we want them to be. We move everything from the to the right side, and then we will place them. All right. We will make this bigger. We'll extend the text area where. For the input. Okay, now we where were we at? Okay, now let's input. Remember, inside this is input text. Now that's why we have input type text. Also we have input type text, and we do have input type file as well. And let's work with that. For this, I'm going to copy, follow me, I'm going to copy the first one here and paste it. All right, space. Remember, this is the input, input type text. Okay. Now, and then also we have the text area here itself, the text area itself, and we have users online. Remember, we should put yeah, do the same thing. I'm going to copy this and paste, space, let's put text area, okay, like this. And now we need the conversations input message. Take the second part here, paste it, and then put input for, we need the input, the same thing, type text. Okay, now the second part of we need the second part of conversation for text area. What I can do, okay, I can copy this right here. Okay, copy, paste, message chat, remove attachment. Sorry, we don't need an attachment. It's supposed to be chat, chat input message. Yes. Also, we need for text area. All right, and then we need for request. Okay, I'm going to copy this part right here for request, copy, and paste it, space, input, remember, oops, type, text, and then we need one for text area as well. I'm going to paste the same one, space, and then put text area. Okay. Now let's fix this part itself, this part right here. I'm going to give it a full width, meaning 100%, and let's resize it. Do we have to resize it? No. And give it a height of full height, and give it a padding. This is the top right, yes, 10 pixel and 15 pixel. Font size, keep it 14, and we're not gonna give it any border, put it border 0. Also using outline, no, okay, 0. All right, so now I'm going to do the same thing, save everything and refresh the page to see what we got so far. Do it, refresh, click. Okay, now you got an idea. Okay, let me make this bigger if you want. This is the text, okay, and this is 1 second. Here we're not done yet on this part. Okay, we're not done yet, but here, as you can see, this center. Okay, Thomas. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, now let's put for the file. We have our file right here. Okay, now this is I'm going to copy the first one right here. Copy, paste. No, the entire. Okay, what I'm going to do, cut this, copy the whole line, and paste. Okay, let me keep it simple, guys. Okay, let's. We need okay, using data. Okay, we need only for the input. We need input the users online, conversation request. Okay, keep it simple. Copy and make some changes. Okay, and paste. With the first one, remove text area for users online. Remove text area for conversation. We need remove. Oops, right here. Remove text area for request and remove this. Oh, okay, let's put them close, a little bit closer. Okay, comma, no comma, and you want to remove everything from here. Now I want it to display no, none. Bring this up. Okay, and now we can okay, let's go ahead, save everything and refresh. Let's see. Okay, let me go here, make sure we got everything 24 hours instead. Refresh. Okay, oops. Okay, okay, we back. Messages. Let's see. We got something. Oh, okay, it said no file. We have to fix this. Okay. All right. We need to hide this part, guys. We move everything here to the right and choose file. We need to hide this one in order to work with only this one. We cannot get two. Remember I said that before. And let's see, we're not supposed to save because of this block of code. Oh, okay. We cannot get two text. The first one we have text, and remember we have to remove text here. We have to put a file. Okay. Put file right here. Okay. Now we put files. Save everything. Now let's go back to our browser. Refresh it and click again. Okay. Now you do not see it. Okay. All right. Okay, now and then guys, right here, this is where I'm going to stop for part 29. Once we come back in the next tutorial, I will put this in the I will okay, fix everything, all of this, and once we click right now, if you click on the emoji list, you will not see them because we do not put some CSS for the emoji list yet. Okay, you will not see anything, but when we're back for part 30, and you will see what I'm talking about right now. And okay guys, I'm going to stop here. If you are new, go back and watch the introduction on the project, and then you will get a better idea on what we're doing, what we're working on right now. And yeah, for myself, I can't wait to finish on this project and start a new one, guys. So I'm really excited, and thank you for joining me. Thank you for learning. And anything, let me know in the comment box, and I would like to assist you. See you in the next one for today, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye. I'm leaving.